Hello guys, so today I just get another sample of the new K3 wireless mechanical keyboard optical switch version. The K3 is one of the thinnest mechanical keyboard in the industry, which thanks to the low profile switch making it 40% slimmer than high profile switch. And there are 6 types of switch options on the optical version. What it means to you is that you can customize your typing experience for each key. And now I'll show how to alter switch on the K3. So if you want to customize your typing experience, we'll offer these optical switches as an add-on in around 7 days after the campaign ends. So you need to purchase these add-on with an email same as your Kickstarter email. And we'll ship them together with your K3 keyboard. Also, you can set to turn on the caps lock light or turn it off and make it just to follow other backlight colors.